Hey there, welcome to LiveHub. I'm Echo, your virtual guide, and I'm here to walk you through a quick tutorial on making outbound calls from your bot to your customers using a LiveHub allocated phone number and how to set it up quickly. Some prerequisites before we begin. You have a bot ready in the Bots section. You have a phone number allocated in the Numbers section. You'll use LiveHub's REST API to initiate the outbound call and connect your bot with your customer's phone number. Remember, you will need to contact LiveHub team to enable outbound calling on your account. Now let's set up the routing rule. Go to the routing screen and click Add New Routing Rule. Region, select your region. Type, choose call. Call criteria. Under Call Originator, select Bot. Route to, select the LiveHub allocated phone number you want displayed when calling customers. Click Create or Save. That's it. You're all set. Happy configuring, and thank you for choosing LiveHub by AudioCodes.